In front of me is Motorola Edge 60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Security and Privacy. Then scroll again to tap on Device Unlock, hit Face Unlock and enter your current login method. Then hit Setup at the bottom right corner and tap on Setup again. This time keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now manage all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, select Next. Then hit Done. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!